Imagine walking into a library where thousands of books have had their covers ripped off and all the titles erased from the spines. That is what joining a team with zero documentation feels like, because you are forced to open every single file just to figure out what it does. Look at the top left corner where our new engineer is drowning in question marks. They are spending 3 full days reading raw source code line by line, trying to reconstruct architecture decisions that nobody bothered to write down. By the end of this video, you will stop burning days on code archaeology and start generating complete production-ready system documentation in minutes using AI workflows. Follow the terracotta path from that confused engineer down to the bottom left. That progress bar isn't just showing 72 hours of lost time. It marks the hidden tax every team pays when decisions live exclusively in someone's head. But here is the counterintuitive truth most engineers miss. Writing documentation manually isn't just boring, it is actually actively harmful because human written docs go stale the exact second you merge a pull request. The manual cost of undocumented decisions isn't solved by forcing developers to write more markdown files by hand, but by tying documentation directly to your code generation loop. Now look across to the top right side of the screen under AI documentation at scale. Instead of staring at a blank page, an AI assistant parses your codebase to auto-generate comprehensive README files, construct detailed ADR records for major architecture choices, and insert context-aware code comments directly where they belong. 2 tools solve this today: Claude Code and Cursor. The key difference is that Claude code operates directly inside your terminal with deep repository visibility, while Cursor embeds AI natively inside an IDE interface. Trace the final arrow to that label at the bottom right. Code is for computers to execute, but documentation is for humans to reason about. When you automate this workflow, you eliminate onboarding friction and instantly raise your team's baseline productivity. So what actually happens when a breaking change hits your pipeline and forces an emergency system re-architecture? On the left side of your screen under the old task, you see the exact trap my team fell into during an emergency architecture shift. We spent 48 hours in a chaotic Slack thread arguing over whether to swap out PostgreSQL for Redis to handle session caching. Everyone dropped their 2 cents, trade-offs were debated, and the final decision was approved. But as soon as the pull request merged, nobody logged into GitHub to write the actual architecture decision record. We created massive documentation debt, leaving the next developer completely blind. Now, follow the path to the right under trigger moment. Think of it like court reporters typing up every spoken word in a courtroom while the trial happens, instead of trying to reconstruct the testimony from memory months later. The first time I pointed Claude code at that 30-message Slack dump, it passed every constraint, extracted the decision to switch to Redis for caching, and generated a perfectly structured ADR instantly. Look at that label at the bottom right. Here is what changed everything. Documentation is a byproduct of engineering decisions, not a separate task. You don't sit down to write docs on Friday afternoon. You capture them automatically as you build. Now let us walk through the exact workflow, step by step, so you can use this yourself. Look at the top left box for step 1, paste context. Think of this step like handing a master chef a tray of fresh ingredients instead of asking them to guess your recipe from scratch. You feed Claude code your raw input, whether that is a complex code snippet or a chat summary from a long design debate. I usually run a simple prompt like summarize this discussion into a standard architecture decision record and outline the trade-offs. Follow the arrow across to step 2 in the middle box labeled AI generation. Here, the engine processes that context and instantly spits out clean markdown for your README formal ADR records or inline comments. But here is the counterintuitive part that trips up most developers. You should never accept AI documentation on faith without reading it first. Now look over to the upper right box under step 3, engineer review. This is where the human in the loop steps in to verify technical accuracy and make sure edge cases are caught. Once you approve the draft, you trace down to the bottom right and commit those files straight into version control. Next, let us see how a real team applied this workflow and what changed in their output. Look at the team on the upper left side under the development loop. When our 6-person engineering group adopted this model, we completely eliminated the dreaded quarterly documentation sprint. Instead of halting feature development to write docs, code commits, merge requests and pull requests pass straight into the CLAUDE code doc engine in the center. Follow the glowing channels across to the top right section. Under continuous documentation, every time a pull request lands, your README architecture decision records and inline comments update automatically in real time. Look at that knowledge repository status box. Your docs are always verified and synchronized with the actual code base. Down at the bottom left, look at the old way where doc sprints felt like doing manual taxes at midnight. Stressful, tedious, and outdated instantly. But follow the arrow across to the bottom right. Under After AI Workflow, documentation becomes Ambient, a zero-effort byproduct of regular development instead of a separate task. Now let us talk about what mastering this workflow means for your career in 2026. Look at that label at the bottom right. Here is what is actually happening. Engineers who build legible systems with AI aren't just saving time, they are proving leadership and long-term vision. That compounds into a massive career advantage. In interview panels for staff roles, or when ACTO reads your architecture decisions, they see your work with absolute clarity. That is how reputations are built. Contrast this on the left under year 1. Struggling through friction in onboarding means you waste reputation value before you even ship code. Senior engineers don't have time to decipher your undocumented intent. They simply assume you don't understand the trade-offs. But follow the path to the right under year 3. Mastering this ambient AI workflow sends a powerful signal. You become the engineer known for legible systems, faster feature development, and seamless onboarding. You are essentially pre-verifying your promotion packet every single week. Here is the pattern interrupt that engineers miss. By making documentation automatic, you prove your value isn't your capability to execute code, but your ability to engineer legible, durable systems. Stop spending reputation reading code. Start spending it building future-proof roles with AI. If you are serious about automating engineering complexity, watch my next workflow breakdown on using AI for automated RFC evaluation linked in the description. Then subscribe for a new AI engineering workflow breakdown every Thursday.